Hey guys, welcome to day 2 of the tiny house build. We're actually building with lumber now, so I'm really excited. Yesterday I didn't film any because it was pretty rainy. Miserable weather to work in, but that's alright, we're making some progress. I built the framing up, so we are just waiting on some treated lumber to arrive, so that's all here, 16-foot pieces to fill in on the bottom. So I'm going to attach those for some added support, and then underneath the frames I built yesterday, we're going to put some metal flashing, and that's just going to protect the trailer's wood from any wear and tear that's going to happen while on the road. So we're going to attach that, insulate it, and then we're going to top that off with some plywood. So let's get to it and see how far we can get today. We got all the metal flashing down. Now I just have to finish taping some up to seal all the gaps, and then we're ready to finish insulating our foundation. We're starting to put in our rigid foam insulation. So it's about 2 inches thick and it's R10, so there's actually 2 pieces that will go one on top of the other for the insulation of the foundation. Let's get to it. So check it out, we have our full foundation on. We're all ready to start building our walls, but I just need to buy some doors and windows so that I can finish planning how the walls are actually going to look. Anyways, super excited to finally have a floor, and it's just one more step closer to a tiny house.